Hey y'all, this is Melissa. I was coming to you today to show you the Natural Eyes, the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. So, this is a great palette. And I'm enjoying this. I just now got it. This was actually the first time I have fully used it. When I first got it, I put a little bit on over top of what I already had on because I was like, oh, I can't wait to try it. So if you enjoy this tutorial, I hope that you will like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell. Definitely click the notification bell. YouTube and all of their fun and joy has changed their algorithms. So if you don't click the notification bell on not just me but any of your favorite YouTubers, if you don't click that notification bell, you may not see their videos come up. So click the notification bell on people that you want to see. So anyway, if you're interested in the tutorial of this and you want to see how I feel about this, stay tuned. Okay y'all, so I am ready to do my eyes with the Too Faced Natural Eyes. This is not the matte one. They have a matte one of these, but this is the regular Natural Eyes because you know me, I'm a shimmer girl. So the mattes are nice, but I like some shimmer. And I've primed my eyes with this Angel Eyes primer. So here we go. This is what this looks like inside. Has that got a little thing on it? No, it doesn't. Okay. This is what this looks like inside. It's very pretty. You know me too. I like a lot of color. But I felt like there's times when I do need a more natural look. There's certain places you go that you just want to have it more neutral. And also, there's occasions when you're traveling that you just want to pack one thing that's going to go with everything. And yeah, the chocolate gold mostly does that for me. But I think that this has its place for me as well. So we'll start off with my Luxie 245, and I'm going to start in, I'm trying to see if that's a shimmer or not. I really can't tell. Well, I'm going to start in it anyway. It's called Heaven on my brow bone. I'll just kind of go there with that. Let's just see if that's a shimmer or not. I don't think that is a shimmer. No, maybe not. Okay, let's not start with that then. We'll just use the Heaven right here in the corners. We'll go with that. It smells kind of like coconut or something. It smells really nice. A little bit of, yeah, that's one of the mattes. There's a little bit of fallout to that, but not bad. Alright. Let's see then, which shimmer do I want to put up there? Okay, I'm going to put Honey Pot up there then. Yeah, we'll go with that up top here. Yeah. We'll go with that up here from the crease up to here and make that line there just to kind of give it a border. It looks like the shimmers are not overly shimmery, but they're nice. Just to give it a little bit of shimmer, because it is, after all, a neutrals palette. So, yeah, that's very nice. So, okay, just get that in there. Yeah, this is, you can tell, using a neutral palette is different for me figuring out what am I going to do with this. I'm used to going, wow, bright colors. So, I have to think about this one. It's funny, most people are the opposite of that. They're like, they look at bright colors and say, what am I going to do with this? And I'm like, neutrals? I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But that's okay. I need to I need to learn how to tone it down, huh? Okay. I'm sure my husband would agree. You need to tone it down. So from here, I am going into the shade right here. It's called Erotica. Lovely. You know, I love Too Faced products, but I hate their names. It's like, really? Okay. Anyhow. Ooh, wow. That has, look at that. Talk about a lot of pigment, man. This thing has a lot of pigment in it. Woo! Now that has a nice sparkle. I don't know if you can see that or not. That has a nice little sparkle to it in there. You know I'm loving that. You know I'm loving that. Wow, that's dark. That's alright. That's alright, I can handle that. And with these shimmers, there is no fallout. You can see there's nothing on my cheeks at all. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, that's very nice. Very nice indeed. And they blend very well. So if you're looking for something that's going to go with almost everything, I'd say this is a very good option. But yeah, it does not take much at all of this, these colors on here. These really go well. I will definitely have to blend these out just a little bit more than maybe most because of the pigment in them. Yeah, use the Rebel Edge brush as usual. And then I am going into Silk Teddy, this really pretty light pink here. We're in this middle section here. Oh yeah, that is very pretty. Oh wow. Yeah, that is very pretty. And I'm going to use that same Silk Teddy on the inner corners and underneath here. That's just very pretty. But that also makes just for a nice, simple look. Okay. Now, for those corners there, they're still a little bit, they're singing kind of loud to me. So I am going to just kind of smoke these out just a little bit with this Luxie. I think that says 209. honestly, I would have to get my glasses to tell you what this is. The Sunny, I think it's the Sunny Days or something like that collection that Luxie came out with. This is the medium sized of that. I would have to get my glasses to look at the number for you. That's crazy. But anyhow, so I just tap that. I really don't do a lot of this. I tap it. And that is enough to just diffuse that corner a little bit. That's really all that needs. Because if you do too much of the other, it's just going to really diffuse it too much, and then by the end of the day, you won't have anything left. And then this, I just do this way. I just brush it. Because on this lighter color, it just makes it smooth as silk. Okay, see how that kind of diffused that a little bit so it's not quite so harsh? Alright, I'm going to put on my eyeliner and mascara and be right back. Okay, so here's the final look. I really like this Natural Eyes palette. I think that I will get a lot of use out of this palette. Let me see, here it is. So, this is it. I'll show you one more time. If I get it open. I can never get these open. The inside here. It's very pretty. It's got, what, I think it's 1, 2, 3, I think it's 4 mattes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's like 4 mattes and 5 shimmers. So it's a nice balanced palette if you like a balance of mattes and shimmers. The shimmers aren't like the, say, the chocolate gold palette. The shimmers aren't like over the top like the biggest, brightest shimmers that you've ever seen. They're more of a toned down shimmer, which for a natural look is really what you want. So, but they still have a nice shine to them. You can see that. They have a nice shine to them. If I can get my hair out of the way. They still have a nice shine to them, which is nice. And they go on very smoothly. They blend out typical Too Faced fashion. They blend out beautifully. Terrible names, but they blend out beautifully. So I'm very pleased with that. And so if you're looking, to me, I heard somebody else saying that these were a true neutral. They weren't cool, they weren't warm. They have a couple warms in them, but to me these are more of a cool neutral, which for my skin tone is really what I need, is a cool neutral, as opposed to, let's see if I can reach it, as opposed to like the Tarte Rainforest is more of a warm neutral. It looks like this, and it's more of a warm neutral, like if I'm wanting to do really warm colors, which for my skin tone I can pull it off, but for me I need more of the cool neutrals because I have more of the blue undertones in my skin. That's why I really wanted this one. So I got a good deal on it. So I wanted to show you a tutorial with this one. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you in the next video. And until then, you remember that you are fearfully and wonderfully made, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.